Hello guys, good morning guys. Today I want to show you how to install some server step by step. Step by step guys, not step by step. Okay, I will just download for all version like 7.4.27 PHP. So now I have downloaded. Currently in the drift of C, I don't have the some server, right? So now I'm gonna to install the some server. You can download direct some server website. Okay guys, now already install it completely. So I gonna to install. I'll install now some server. Almost finished.
Let's go.
Just click it public guys. To be the public, you can connect your mobile device SIM network to your some server later on. Okay, now let us start, start. By lucky, this everything success. So we can see this is the administrator. Example, if you want to use like a username password here, you can create the username password as well. You can creating just like a admin and password admin example, guys. All right. So okay. Now just click all to enable all the access. Just continue. Okay, going to save it. And let us see the running. This is working fine. This is sample of localhost. How you go this one to change this localhost? Just delete all. And now when you click this, of course, will be like empty. All right. So it means this script working fine. So you can creating here in the example test dot PHP or HTML, anything. So just click this extension hiding and right click, remove the .txt. So this will be going to PHP. So wherever you are in the PHP, of course, we need editor tool sometime, and then I will just try here example h1 and test this link working and just bracket h1. Right, I will save it. Now let us see what happened. This one is working, guys. So this is the link is working. And okay, how about this one? Before you creating username and database name admin, but you still not showing like login. So where you are to going to do, you can go to export, and you can go to Phpmyadmin. Look the config, guys. You have to look the config.in.php. Open like if you have use Drumweaver, you can use Drumweaver. And here, instead the config for this server login, instead the config, you have to change the choke key only. That's it. It will be work. Okay, save it. Stop. Start again. Let us look the login. Okay, error. Again, error. Okay, maybe spelling, guys, wrong. You are using this. Save it. Okay, that's spelling wrong. Okay, so see, looking like empty, but this one should be work. Okay, okay. Just return back here to config. Okay guys, maybe this one is, you need to the dot here and crossing, save it. Alright guys, it's working fine. I'm login admin and admin. See, it's very simple and easy to creating the login. If you are want to use the some server, sometimes default one is here showing config, and this is without login, just direct open. But after that, if you change that one to the choke, it will be look like login. Okay guys, this is tutorial complete how to install the Xampp server, include the showing to login this Xampp server, creating the login from the config base, config.ins.php, and change to become login button here. Okay, thank you very much.